Hi! In this video, I will show you how to cut out an image in Canva. In here, we have a picture of a woman. To cut out the background, we have two options. First option is to crop it. To crop the image, select the image to crop and then click on Edit Photo and click on Crop. Here, we have many options of ratio on how you will crop your photo, so you can remove the excess background of your photo. The second option is to remove background of the picture totally. You can find this option in Effects, then Tools, and then BG Remove. Unfortunately, BG Remover is only available in Canva Pro. So to level up your photo editing in Canva, make sure to subscribe in Canva Pro. So that's it. Thanks for watching. For more videos like this, please subscribe on our channel. Bye!